The Xiaomi POCO M8 Pro arrives with a familiar promise. Flagship-style features at a price that doesn't induce buyer's remorse. On paper, it's an impressive package: a large 1.5K AMOLED display, a capable Snapdragon chipset, a sizable 256GB of storage, and even IP68 water and dust resistance, which is still a rarity outside premium phones. After spending time with it, the POCO M8 Pro largely delivers on that promise, though not without a few small compromises worth noting. Design-wise, the M8 Pro strikes a confident balance between practicality and polish. The black finish is understated rather than flashy, but it feels solid in the hand, with a reassuring weight that suggests durability without becoming tiring during extended use. The flat edges and slim profile make it comfortable to hold, despite the generous 6.83-inch screen. That IP68 rating adds real peace of mind. 2. This is a phone you can confidently use in the rain or near water without constantly worrying about accidents. The display is one of the phone's strongest assets. The 6.83-inch Crystal Race 1.5K AMOLED panel is sharp, vibrant, and pleasingly bright. Colors pop without looking oversaturated, and text appears crisp thanks to the higher-than-average resolution. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or reading articles, the screen feels premium and easy on the eyes. It's the sort of display that makes everyday tasks more enjoyable and gives the phone a genuine sense of value. Performance is handled by the Snapdragon 7 South Gen 4, paired with 8GB of RAM, and in daily use it performs admirably. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and general navigation feels responsive. It's not aimed at hardcore mobile gamers chasing maximum frame rates, but for most users, including casual gaming, streaming, and productivity, the experience is consistently fluid. The generous 256GB of storage is also a welcome inclusion, reducing any anxiety about running out of space for photos, apps, or downloaded content. Photography is another area where the POCO M8 Pro quietly impresses. The 50MP Light Fusion 800 main camera, complete with optical image stabilization, delivers reliable results across a range of conditions. In good lighting, photos are detailed with natural colors and pleasing contrast. Low light performance is solid rather than spectacular, but OIS helps keep shots sharp and usable. It's a camera system that won't replace a dedicated flagship shooter, yet it's more than capable for everyday moments and social sharing. Battery life is comfortably all day for most users, even with fairly heavy use. While Xiaomi's decision not to include a charger in the box may disappoint some, it's increasingly common and unlikely to be a deal-breaker for anyone who already owns compatible charging accessories. Charging speeds are respectable, and once topped up, the phone feels dependable throughout the day. In conclusion, the Xiaomi POCO M8 Pro is a thoughtfully balanced smartphone that offers excellent value for money. Its standout display, dependable performance, solid camera, and rare IP68 rating make it a compelling choice in the mid-range market. While it doesn't push boundaries or aim to be revolutionary, it gets the fundamentals right in a way that feels refined and usable. For anyone seeking a capable modern smartphone without paying flagship prices, the POCO M8 Pro is an easy recommendation.